Welcome to my class, dear students of class 8. I hope you all are fine, safe and sound, attending your classes regularly. Today, I am going to take your English class. Before going to the class, I want to introduce myself. I am Biplobi Paul, senior teacher, Dr. Khastagir Govt Girls High School, Chottogram. This is an English first paper class for the students of class 8. Before going to the lesson, I want to show you two pictures. What do you see in this picture? I think you know. It is a suitcase. The first one is without any wheel. And the second one, you see a suitcase with wheels. Can you tell or can you say which one is easier to move and why? Yes, a suitcase with wheel is easier to move because of its wheel. Do you agree with me? If there is wheel in your suitcase, you can easily carry it. You can easily take it to one place from another place. But if you don't have any wheel in your suitcase, you have to lift it. And it is very difficult for you. Let us discuss about wheel. Are you acquainted with these objects, wheels? I'm sure that you are acquainted with these three objects. These are wheels. Yes, these are wheels. So, dear students, our today's lesson is the wheel from your textbook unit 9, lesson 1. All of you open your book and note down the words I'm going to discuss with you today at the beginning of the lesson. After reading the text, you can ask and answer question, read and understand the text, and also write a short paragraph. I told you to note down the keywords from this text. You see the keywords. First keywords, number 1, circular. From circle, the word has come circular. What is circular means? You see a round shape. It is called circular, and circular means round, or another word, spherical, rounded, globular. Here is a make sentence with this word circular. A wheel is a circular object. In your notebook, writing down new words, note down the words and also make sentence with this word circular. Underline the word circular. It's a new word for you. Then number 2, rotate. You see rotating, moving or revolving. It means interchange, that is move, revolve. It means rotate. And an example, a sentence using rotate. A wheel is rotated around at its axis. Then number 3 word, axis, you see here, axis is also a wheel. It means, axis means Lions Block Federation. And it is a sentence using axis. A wheel is rotated around at its axis. Then another word, propeller. You see a propeller, it is moving. And sometimes you see it is like fan. Something rotate. Every day we see it moving over our head. A propeller is a type of fan that transmits power by converting rotational motion into thrust. Turbine. Look at the word. Look at the picture, turbine. It is also moving. Turbine is a kind of wheel. Actually, everywhere we see wheel. Wheel has helped us greatly to our civilization. Mobility. Mobility means motion, speed. When you ride on a car, you feel mobility. Means motion or speed. The mobility of our thinking is increasing day by day. When we think, there is also mobility. The mobility of our thinking is increasing day by day. Then journey, very common word. You know, journey, meaning trip or voyage. Always take a safe journey. While you make a journey, try to remain safe. That is, take a safe journey. Then civilization. Two picture you see civilization. One picture is ancient people. They are not civilized. And then you see a gradual development of era, means time. We are passing modern civilization. This picture is modern civilization. We are passing modern civilization. You see there are some pictures. All these objects are known to you. 6 pictures you see. Take your textbook and read the essays. You will see the sentence says here, human beings have invented many important things so far. These things, car, plane, computer, microscope, camera, mobile phone, all these things are invented by human beings. That is, human beings have invented many important things so far. They have brought great civilization, great change to the world through these inventions. Without mobile phone, we cannot think of a single day now. This phone or computer or plane, car, these things have brought great civilization to the world through this, to the world. Do you know which invention is the greatest? From these inventions, which invention is the greatest? Yes, it is wheel. Wheel is the greatest invention of this time. It is the wheel. You will see wheels are everywhere. Wheels are in fact everywhere. They are on car. You see car, there are wheels. Train, you will see wheel. And it is called wagon, a type of cart for carrying things. Wagon. Is it new to you? Wagon? You see, wheels are everywhere. Besides, they are on most mills and factories and farm equipments. It is farm equipments. For farming, this machine, this equipment is used. You also see wheels in factories and farm equipments. So, this is very common object to you. Fan, propellers, turbines. We see wheels, here fans, propellers, and turbines. So the wheel is very important. We cannot imagine modern life without wheels, but do we know exactly who made the wheel first? Yes, now you will read the text silently and answer the questions below. 5 minutes, read the text and answer the questions, 3 questions below. What is the wheel? At first write down the question, then write the answer. Wheel is a circular object. It is used mainly in the transport. Besides fans, in propellers, and turbines, wheels are used. What can a wheel do? A wheel can do a lot. Using wheel in our vehicles, We can go from one place to another. It has made a great civilization. Where can you find wheels? The answer will be we find wheels everywhere, mainly in our vehicles. From going one place to another, we use wheels. We also see wheels in our other objects like fans, propellers, turbines, farm equipments, and also factories. After reading the text, again, you will answer these 3 questions. Then there is individual verb. It is a gap filling activity. You see here 6 words and 5 gaps. Using these words, you have to fill in the gaps. Only write the answer in this way: A, B, C, D, and E. At first thing, you think yourself for a while, then match the answer with me. A will be important, then B circular, C difficult, D first, E much. Dear students, I think you have understood this activity. This type of activity you will get in your question paper. Sometimes clues are given and sometimes clues are not given. So practice a lot this type of activity. Then it is a type of matching or substitution table called. You have to make correct sentence. You have to make 5 sentences from these using these 3 columns. One sentence is made for you. From part 1, you will take the wheel. Rotates. From part B, rotates around its axis. We know the wheel rotates, moves, revolves around its axis. In this way, make other sentences. Then homework. Read the situation. It is from your textbook E. Have you ever traveled by bus or car? Do you have any experience of what happens if one wheel falls flat? That is become useless or breaks down. What will happen if one wheel falls flat? It's a phrase, falls flat. That is, doesn't work. If yes, give a description of your experience. If no, imagine such a situation and look at the picture. Such a situation and write a paragraph about it. Here you see 3 pictures. The wheels of this car in the middle fall flat. Doesn't work. So an accident happens. Nowadays, you will heard about accident because of wheels falling flat. So write at least 10 sentences of such a situation. You'll do it yourself and show us in the classroom. Okay, it is your homework. You'll read the passage again and reading carefully, write a description or a paragraph about this situation. Okay, dear students, no more today. Thank you for attending the class, and you will practice it and do the homework and also classroom activities. Okay, let us finish here. Thanks all again.